So you can see something I have written SMAC. So okay, I used to ask this question, what is SMAC, generally to my friends and colleagues. When I shoot out this question SMAC, they used to think about the SMAC which they have seen and heard in wrestling, in fighting, right? So people used to think. Even I get a lot of weird answer too, but it's a very important terminology that we need to know as a guy who works in IT or who learns IT related technologies. They need to know the term SMAC is. Okay, so I will just abbreviate this. S for social media, M for mobile computing, A for analytics, and C for cloud computing. So it's a very important one. We should not rearrange the terms. They have a solid term called SMAC. So we need to know what exactly the SMAC is. Okay. So before starting deep dive into this, I have written 4 words, 4 letters. So it's SMAC. The important one, the first which we need to discuss is all about the C, the last one, cloud. So the cloud is nothing but a cloud computing. So it's a very important to know what exactly the cloud computing is. Okay, before that I shoot out a question. In your day-to-day life, you are using cloud computing? The answer is yes, you are using. So it's not like I'm going for that particular cloud seller site and I'm using. It's not like that. If you are using facebook.com, yes, then you are using cloud. If you are using Gmail, then you are using cloud. And if you are using e-commerce websites to purchase something, online shopping, yeah, then you are using cloud. So cloud computing is all about, the concept comes into picture, virtualization, virtual services. So the term we used to say for cloud computing is pay for what you use. Okay, I just need to do a project with just for 2 days. So because for that I don't want to buy a new laptop, 40,000 or 30,000 just for 2 days. Why should I have to buy a new laptop? So cloud computing is where they used to sell all the things as a services. So you need a database, go, you have a service, database. You need a machine, you go and buy there. You need a hardware, software, whatever with the license, everything they provide you for hardly wise charges. So we want a machine with Windows and I need this Office product or I need this particular software or a .NET or a Java, whatever it is. They provide you with the license and they just ask you to pay this much amount. So it's very cheaper nowadays. All the application has been hosted and launched in cloud computing. So that's very important to know. Nowadays we are using everything in cloud. So you use Facebook, you are uploading the data, whatever, photos, everything. It's not again stored in your hard disk, right? Then it's a cloud. You are storing your data somewhere virtually. You don't know where it gets stored, right? So that's cloud computing. Okay. Then we are entering into the next term, M for mobile computing. So mobile computing, nowadays we use more and more mobile phones because compared to the laptops and desktops and even TV, we are always with our mobile phones. So the guys are being targeted, okay, people are using mobile phones, so we have to give all the application, whatever they are doing with the mobile, laptops and computers and things, we need to give everything in their mobile phones also. So they invented a lot of operating systems like iOS, Android. So they started creating a lot of applications for Android OS and iOS. So we started using it because they need more revenue. So we are using mobile phones. So they started giving their applications in mobile based things. So because we are more with mobile phones. So if we use more applications in the mobile phones, they will get revenue, right? Business. So that's why. So mobile computing, the thing which very important currently. And then next comes, yes, social media, Facebook, LinkedIn. So all these things are social medias, right? So you use Gmail, LinkedIn. So everything is a social media. So this social media is a part of our life. Without social media, it is very difficult for us to do a lot of things, right? So not only the enjoyment I'm saying, the social media apart from enjoyment, so we use this social media for free marketing. So once I completed this video, I used to put in my Facebook page and my Facebook groups and community page, and I'm circulating the videos so that I will get a lot of views. So we have a lot of things. If you go for LinkedIn, professional, so you update your skill sets, everything. So it's a kind of a LinkedIn is a world for professionals. So the kind of social media, Gmail, so everything. So we use lot of things, right? Not only for the enjoyment. Apart from that, we have lot of things to do there. And at last, A. So I have started this session with C, cloud computing, and I am going to end the session with A, analytics. So you use mobile computing, you use social media, and you use cloud computing, whatever it is. The thing what you are doing, you are generating the data, right? Facebook, you put a status, chat, comment, Twitter, tweet, LinkedIn, you update your skills, your office, whatever, your office name, school name, college name, everything you are just updating. So means you are generating a data, right? So these data and all get stored in somewhere virtually cloud computing, and these things you are doing in the mobile phones also, mobile computing. At last, where this data gets stored in a database. Why people are continuously storing the data? So people, they will store continuous, means this Facebook guy or this guys or website guys or mobile application guys, whatever it is, these guys will store your data. They don't know why they are storing it. Maybe in future they will come to know why I am storing all this data. They will do some analytics, right? So these guys will continually store the data, all the data, whatever it is, you put chat, comment, like, photos, everything they will store, and at last they will do an analysis. For example, I am just complete this video and I am uploading this in my YouTube, right? I have a channel, so it's a2zknowledge.com is my website, and youtube.com/a2zknowledge video is my URL. Okay. So if you are a holder of a YouTube channel, you will come to know, people, they used to come to know. We have a menu called analytics. In our YouTube login, we have analytics. So if we click that analytics, we will come to know number of views of my video and from which area people are seeing my video a lot, and number of male users, number of female users, and the location, everything. We will get a lot of analytics from that. Why? What is the need? Because based on the analysis, we will come to know what quality and what kind of video we have to upload, and which kind of video people are more excited to see. Because based on that, I will upload, so that my views will get increased, so I will get popular, means my channel will get popular, right? So it's a kind of something that which need to be boom, right? So if you take these Facebook and Twitter, what these guys will do, these guys will also sell your data. They have legal things they have, because you take a license agreement, yes, accept, right? Means they will share all your public information. These Facebook, Twitter guys will sell their data to someone who is in need of it, so they will pay for the Facebook to get all your data. For example, I want to post some ad in Facebook. I will pay something and I will post my ad. It's a pay one. I have to pay and I have to put in my ad, because in your Facebook, in right hand side, you will see the advertisements, right? Like that, I need to put my product. So once I just deployed my advertisement in Facebook, I will get a page where I can see number of people viewed my product, number of people clicked my product, number of people shows interest on my product. Based on this, I will come to know, okay, the product is very good and reaching to the people, so that I will do some more things extra, so that my revenue will be get increased. So analytics is the last one that everyone needs. So if I release a movie, I need an analytics so that I can release a next part, right? So analytics is very important. So we discussed all these 4 topics. So all these topics has the very important part in IT. And if you know one technology on all these things, then you are the one. So you don't want to worry about the job security. So you will be always having the job assurance, because it's a very hot and demandable one. When I say cloud, virtualization comes into picture. When I say analytics, database and data warehousing comes into picture, even data mining, even predictive analysis, and then M, mobile computing, iOS, Android kind of, and social media where web application, mobile application, and even designing part comes into picture. So if you know at least some basic info or at least 1 to 2 technology in all these things, let us SMAC, then you don't want to worry about your job security. You will be the one in the IT world. So anyhow, whether we are going to work on all these things or not, but we need to know, as an IT guy, we need to know this SMAC terminology. It is very important. So I just making this video because I just raised this question to a bunch of people. They said some different answers. Only few they said something about social media, for S for social media, M for mobile. They said something like that, but they are not constant on that. So you need to know these things. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, and then please forward these videos to your friends and colleagues. So for more videos, I have a lot of technology stuffs and lot of stuffs like this, and also practical one. So you can go to my a2zknowledge.com and you can see I provide videos in 2 languages, English and Tamil. So thanks for watching a2zknowledge.com.